Exercise number 9. Start. Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir, I think the House will permit me to begin my speech with a certain personal note. Full stop. The Prime Minister, in his budget speech, referred to the year 39 years ago, where in a more difficult situation, Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru presented the budget. Full stop. The House will remember that at that time it was an unprecedented shake up in the finance ministry in which the finance minister full stop, the principal finance secretary, the chairman of the LIC and other senior ministers and secretaries had to leave just a few weeks before the budget full stop. At that time it was sheer miracle that I escaped. I consider it a miracle. Full stop. I was the only person to assist the Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in presenting the budget and in conducting both the houses. Full stop. It is a matter of great honor and privilege which I recollect after 29 years that Prime Minister Nehru commanded the work that I humbly did to assist him in those difficult times. Full stop. Today the Prime Minister's budget speech clearly and sincerely puts the economic development of this country on the path charted by Jawaharlal Nehru. Full stop. It is borne not only by the three quotations of Nehru in his speech, but also by the form and content of his analysis of the economic scene and the measures proposed by him. Full stop. It also reflects Prime Minister's distinct personality. Full stop. He has not given to political or populist approach. Full stop. He acknowledges the seriousness of the challenges on the economic front and reveals an attempt to respond to them with utmost seriousness. Full stop. Next paragraph. His speech distinguishes itself by his honesty of purpose and seriousness of the proposals that he has made. Full stop. His budget speech also clears several myths. Full stop. He has demolished several myths. Full stop. The commitment to wage a battle for eradication of poverty has been reimposed. Whatever the honorable members on the other side may say. Full stop. This is a rededication with all vigor and force of his commitment for the eradication of poverty. Full stop. This is also based on productive employment of the people, creating so many man hours and man days. Full stop. It is on the basis of productive employment and not on the distribution of charity syndrome. Full stop. All these proposals are linked to productivity, employment, and growth because there is an inescapable link between growth, employment, and productivity. Full stop. Therefore, the battle for eradication of poverty has been placed in the overall framework of accelerating growth. Full stop and